One of the biggest advantages of the 3D Experience platform is that it can provide simple yet robust cloud data management solutions for SolidWorks users. If you've not come across the 3D Experience platform so far, then in short, it's an online portal that's been developed by Dassault with the aim to bring together functionality from across their product range into one single ultimate design and collaboration platform. To access the different capabilities of this platform, you need to purchase different roles. And in this video, I'm going to introduce the roles that are used to manage data and explain specifically what each role allows you to do. The collaborative business innovator role, the collaborative industry innovator role, and the collaborative designer for SolidWorks role. But first off, why should you care? After all, can't files be shared via Dropbox, Google Drive, or email? Well, while all of these methods are widely used and can all work, there's nothing to stop file versions getting mixed up or out of date, and before long, it's easy to get confused and end up overwriting or duplicating someone else's or our own work. And we can end up just causing a mess. The 3D Experience platform, however, has been built from the ground up to address the issues that CAD users face in a way that these other tools simply haven't. As such, it offers CAD intelligent storage that understands the links between files and provides tools to help manage data more effectively, such as revision control so you can always access the history of changes, access control to ensure that files are only shared with the people that you want to have access, and an approval process so you can ensure that all the correct steps are taken along the way to reviewing and releasing your design data. There are other advantages as well, such as the option to interface directly with SolidWorks or viewing your files online in 3D without having to download anything. And naturally, as the platform is an online solution, you can log in and access your files from anywhere, and you won't need to worry about any hardware overheads, security issues, or yearly updates. So, how does this functionality fit into the three roles that I mentioned earlier? Well, first off, you have the entry-level role required to access the platform, the Collaborative Business Innovator. Let's take a look at the platform for a moment, and more specifically, what the Business Innovator role gives us. With the Business Innovator role, I can do things like keep track of relevant and important web pages, perhaps what training is coming up, and accessing training content here on my SolidWorks. I can take a look at my data and be able to preview it in a 3D viewer online without having to download anything. I can also modify my viewing interface and even choose to mark it up as I may wish. I can also communicate with my team, share ideas, track them through a ideas pipeline, and have a continuous real-time feed of the work that my team and I are doing on a project. Building on top of the Business Innovator role, we have the Industry Innovator role, which adds engineering and design specific functionalities. For example, being able to organize your data in a neat and systematic manner with bookmarks and favorite folders, being able to view and track the revisions of all of your data and promote them through the approval process directly from within your browser. You can even track your to-do list with a handy, easy, and intuitive task management application. Finally, we have the Collaborative Designer or SolidWorks role, which connects SolidWorks directly to the 3D Experience platform, providing seamless access to the platform's data management, collaboration, and lifecycle tools directly from within your familiar SolidWorks 3D CAD application. Right from within your task pane, you can take ownership of models, save new revisions, and keep people informed of the design changes that you're making. So, to summarize, the cloud data management tools on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform provide a safe, smart, and efficient way to manage your CAD data. To access these tools, you need the Collaborative Business Innovator role, the Industry Innovator role, and the Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS. For more information, please visit the 3DEXPERIENCE pages on our website or get in touch with us using the details on screen. Thank you.